Hello, good afternoon. Today we will continue with corrosive poison. In last class we discussed inorganic acids. Today we will continue with the organic acids. It includes oxalic acid and carbolic acid. Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid also known as acid of sugar. Chemical formula is COOH. COOH. Oxalic acid is prepared from sugar by oxidation with nitric acid. Other method is by oxidation of pine saw dust with caustic alkali. Properties. Oxalic acid is a colorless, transparent, prismatic crystal. Its taste is sour. It is strongly acid and sublimes on heating. Sublimes means become dust or powder. Oxalic acid is soluble in water and alcohol. When heated with strong sulfuric acid, it splits into carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and water. Uses. It is used in white clothing printing industry, in manufacturing of straw hats, in cleaning of brass and copper articles and wooden surfaces. It is also used as bleaching agent for erasing writing and signature from the paper and printed documents, and for removing ink and iron rust mark from clothes. Clinical feature. Local action. It acts as a corrosive when administration in large quantity. When administration is large quantity. And it acts an irritant poison when it is taken in as a weaker solution. If it is used as weaker solution, it acts as an irritant, and if concentrated, it acts as corrosive. Next is prolonged contact with skin produces cyanosis and gangrene. It is very sour and acidic in taste. Thirst, pain and burning sensation in mouth, throat and stomach and then whole abdomen occur. Intense vomiting. Vomitus is greenish brown or black in color, since it contains altered blood and mucus in the vomitus. Tenesmus. Tenesmus is pain during defecation may occur. These above are local action. Now systemic action of the poison. After absorption, it precipitates ionized calcium and gives symptom of hypocalcemia. The insoluble calcium oxalates accumulates in kidney, liver, heart, lungs and blood. It is excreted in urine. It results in oliguria, followed by diuresis, albuminuria with hyaline cast, and eventually leads to acute renal failure. Feeling of numbness of limb, feeble, irregular and slow pulse, shallow gasping and fast respiration, tetany, cramp, convulsion, lockjaw and delirium may occur. Finally, shock and death. Fatal dose is 15 gram and fatal period is 1 to 2 hours. Treatment of oxalic acid poisoning. First is neutralization of acid. The saturated solution of lime is the best. Alkali are not administered as they unite with oxalic acid and form soluble poisonous salt. So alkali salt is not used. IV calcium gluconate is given. Gastric lavage with 1% calcium gluconate solution may be done. Castor oil is given as a purgative. Renal blood flow maintained by the IV infusion of glucose. Postmortem appearance. If oxalic acid is taken in concentrated form, sign of corrosion is present in mouth, throat, esophagus and stomach. The mucous membrane are white, wrinkled and can easily be detached from the underlying tissue. The stomach contains a dark brown, thick and lumpy liquid due to formation of acid hematine. Perforation rarely occur in oxalic acid poisoning. In intestine, upper part of duodenum may be affected. Kidney congested. If oxalic acid is diluted, the sign of local irritation may form such as redness, congestion and inflammation of the mucous membrane. Congestion of lung and liver may be found. Medical evaluation. This poisoning is mostly accidental. This is all about oxalic acid. Now come to carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Carbolic acid, also known as phenol or phenyl alcohol or hydroxybenzene property. Pure acid is short, colorless, prismatic needle-shaped crystal which turns pink on exposure to light and melt in moist air. It has characteristic odor and a sweetish pungent taste. Solubility: insoluble in liquid paraffin and slightly soluble in water, but freely soluble in boiling water, alcohol, ether and chloroform. Commercial carbolic acid. Phenol camphor is a clear solution, strongly smelling of camphor and used as a local anesthetic in toothache. Crude carbolic acid. It is a dark brown liquid containing a halogen cresol as impurity. It has used as antiseptic, as a disinfectant and a preservative. Poisoning by carbolic acid is called carbolism. Mode of action. In concentrated form, it acts locally as corrosive. It coagulates protein, thus it has great penetrating power. When applied to skin, it causes a burning sensation followed by tingling, numbness and anesthesia due to its effect on sensory nerve ending. After absorption, it produces systemic effect as narcotic poison. Route of excretion, chiefly from urine and also from lungs, saliva and liver. Symptoms. Immediately after swallowing, intense thirst and burning sensation in mouth, throat and stomach occur. Vomiting occur and vomitus is frothy mucus. The mucous membrane of lips and mouth become hard and white. Giddiness and insensibility occur. Shock and coma may occur. Breath has a strong odor of carbolic acid. Urine scanty, greenish and stain the clothes. The urine becomes dark green on exposure of air. This phenomenon is known as carboluria. Cause of death: failure of respiratory center, shock and circulatory collapse and renal failure. Fatal dose is 1 to 2 gram of phenol and 25 to 50 ml of household phenol, which we use for cleaning of the toilets. Next is fetal period 3 to 4 hours and postmortem appearance is dark brown abrasion on the angle of mouth. Dark brown abrasion on the angle of mouth. It is due to corrosion. Mucous membrane of mouth, lips and throat congested, swollen, whitened and ash-gray and partially detached with a small submucous hemorrhage. Mucous membrane of esophagus is tough, white or gray and corrugated. Stomach is brown and leathery with hemorrhagic spots and folds contain reddish fluid with mucus and carbolic smell. All other viscera were found congested and medical legal aspect accidental and suicidal poisoning occur. Accidental and suicidal poisoning occur. Treatment is same as oxalic acid.